Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money on Instagram with Clickbank. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about making money online, affiliate marketing, anything to make your life better and have freedom and choices to do what you love. So with that being said, if you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'm going to be uploading valuable content on a regular basis here. So let's go ahead and get into the content. How to make money on Clickbank with Instagram. I'm super excited to share this with you because it is a really great way to make money that not a lot of people know about. Now, why is Instagram so great? Okay, it's super powerful. Right now there's 400 billion photos shared to date. 25 million businesses are on Instagram. Instagram was sold for 1 billion. There are 4.2 billion likes per day and 95 million up to 70 million last year of photos uploaded per day. So it is a huge marketplace, and it's untapped as far as marketers go. So Instagram has a massive traffic loophole. What is that? I'm going to explain that here in just a little bit. But why is it good for you as an affiliate marketer to have this loophole? Well, first of all, it's a great opportunity to make money with affiliate marketing. You can use Clickbank to find products to market on Instagram. Very few marketers know about this loophole. And one really great thing is you don't need to have an Instagram account. So you can be brand new to affiliate marketing and you can use this method. You don't have to have an Instagram account. And again, it's still very untapped, very inexpensive, so it's available price-wise to anybody. And the traffic is niche specific, and that's super important. So how do you tap into this massive traffic loophole of targeted leads? What you're going to do is go to Instagram and you're going to search for accounts. Now there's people who own accounts and have no way to monetize it. For example, there are some accounts on Instagram that have millions of followers and they are not monetizing their account. So what you can do is you can pay anywhere from $30 to $200 for them posting a shout out on their account. So I'm going to show you some examples, but before we get into that, this is the wrong way, and this is what most people do with shout outs, is they use it to build their account and get more followers. But the right way to do it, which is what I'm going to show you, is to set up a squeeze page or a landing page in any niche and collect emails to grow your email list. And again, this is very targeted. It's a targeted audience. So you can think of Instagram as a huge vision board. So people who are interested in, let's say, the keto diet, and you have a product in that area, people who are followers of these large Instagram accounts are interested in that already. And so you're just getting in front of this targeted audience. Again, it's targeted traffic. Think of Instagram as a huge vision board. And you can build a large email list in a short period of time using this strategy. Okay, so how are you going to buy a paid shout out? So people don't just advertise. Most people don't advertise that they're doing shout outs. But the way that you know that they are is that they have their email address in their bio and they have a lot of followers. So this is one that I found. I just put in here health, and this one came up. So they have 60,000 followers, and here's their email address here. So what you do is you email them with this message: hey, I want to do a shout out on your account. Can you please let me know your prices? And then they'll email you back, and then you can buy the shout out. Here's another example I found. I just, if you're in the relationship niche, you can type in dating, and this one came up. They have 58.5K followers, and they actually are saying that they do promos. So this is a good account here. Well, these don't have as many likes on their photos as this one here. They have like a lot of likes on their follows. On their photos. You want to look for that as well as the number of followers they have, and again, if they have an email address in their bio. So this is really cool statistics. So let's say, and you can find these accounts that have over 1 million followers. I mean, you might have to do some searching and some time to look in there to find these accounts, but let's say you spend $150 for an account that has 1 million followers. So for example, out of 300 likes, you can expect to get about 500 emails. So for $150, around 500 emails, that's really good. And again, these are targeted followers. So this is huge. So what you're going to have to do is give something for free to send people to your squeeze page with an image that you can create on Canva.com, and this is a place that you can go and do your own for free. They have really cool images. Or you can go to Fiverr.com and pay somebody like $5 to make an image for you. And this is an example, and what you're going to ask them to do is put your link in their bio when they do the shout out. So you're going to have a cool image. This is not that great of an image, but it just shows you what someone has done for a shout out. And what you want to do is do this for a shorter period of time. First of all, it will be cheaper for you. And the other thing that it will do is to get in front of different audiences. So if you do 1 hour rather than 24 hours, that's going to be more cost effective for you, but also be better as far as the leads that you get. You can do it 3 times a day, so you do 1 hour 3 times a day rather than one shout out for 24 hours. And that way you can do it like morning, noon, and night, and you'd get different audiences at different times of the day. So that's basically it. You're going to go in and again just go to the search here and search whatever your niche is and see what kind of things come up. You could maybe search entrepreneur. This one has 1.7 million followers, but it looks like they don't have an email address in their bio here. But you can just keep searching different niches, and you'll find some of these accounts, and it's again a really great way to build your email list and to get in front of people that are actually interested in what you have to offer. And you're not going to send them directly to an offer on Clickbank. What you're wanting to do is to build your email list, and then as you establish a relationship with this email list, then you'll be sending out offers from Clickbank. And if you have your own products or services or whatever, you can do that through your email marketing. So it's very simple. It's a quick way to build your email list. Again, Instagram is very hot right now. You can get in front of some a lot of people in a short period of time. So this is it for today. I'd love to hear your comments below, and if you have any questions, let me know. And again, if you would like to have more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you found value from this, give me a thumbs up, a like, and I appreciate you guys. And this is Karen Merrill signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.